I'm so excited! So excited! I got a box. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, question, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Ooh, blue bubble wrap. Fancy. Ta-da! This is some cool bubble wrapping. Great packing. I like this. Hopefully there's no tape involved. Let's get this out of here. All right. Unfortunately, they taped it all around. Tape is my nemesis. If there is anything in the world that doesn't like me as much as I do not like them, it is tape. Oh, these are really cool. What? Oh, more tape. Oh, went from being super excited to tape. What is this? Where is the end of the tape? Where's the beginning of the tape? Where? Oh my! This is a little much. I think this PEZ dispenser may have been alive at one time, and so they wanted to make sure it didn't come back alive and then run away while it was in the box. Whew. All right, 5 minutes into the video, and we finally have one PEZ dispenser. We need to invent a uniform way of packing PEZ without tape. We have to conserve tape. Tape is for sealing boxes, not for protecting us from PEZ that are going to come alive and run away. Because if it's going to come alive and run away, I'm going to let it come alive and run away. You know, free the PEZ. Free the PEZ. That's what I'm trying to do, and it's very difficult. So I can understand why some people don't want the free said PEZ dispensers. I hope I don't break it. This is difficult. All right. Ta-da! All that work for these two. I think these are the cutest Hello Kitty dispensers that they offer. And they aren't even Hello Kitty. Who is this? Hello Bunny? Bunny White? Any relation to Kitty White? And in case you didn't know, Kitty White. Yeah, that's her name. That's her name. But I finally got them open! Oh! Alright, this is not the bunny My Melody. Isn't that the bunny's name, My Melody? Something like that. This is Usahana, another bunny that is a Hello Kitty character. Now, these particular items are Japanese release only. Kind of hard to find here in the States. Really neato, full-body Hello Kitty dispensers. Yay! They're so cute. Aww. And she's winking. She knows something. But they're gonna go over here with the crystal Hello Kitty, maybe. Let's see. Ta-da! I hope the smell doesn't bother you. Hello, kitty. Hello, Usahana. Very cool Japanese release. So until next time, bye-bye.